Now we're going to demonstrate how you can generate forecasts and time series that you can play with using the website interface. So first you have to connect on this URL, and you can create a new user. It connects you to a remote server that hosts some code to do so. So first you have to sign up to create a new user. It's very simple. For instance, you can just give user and credentials. Here you just use user and user. And now you can log in. So this gives you access to a few scripts that we wrote to generate the forecast. It's inside the notebook folder, and here so you have a few auxiliary functions that we wrote to generate the scripts, and these are two basic scripts that are non-rateable. For example, if I open this one, it's non-rateable, so you can change it. It's shared among all users. It allows you to generate an animation. For instance, you can execute each cell block. You can choose a site. There are two sites, course of Poland, which is French for Corsica in Poland, a forecast date within the bounds of the dataset, and then it generates an animation as a web video that you can save to your computer. So with forecasts as a clearness index and irradiance, and then the ground truth on the right column. You can also add a block of codes if you want to, but you won't be able to save it. If you want to have your own script, you have to create a new script inside the folder in the user interface. So here you can create new scripts. The other script is a validation that helps you generate time series for a precise location if you want to, for instance, calculate some indicators. So same thing, you have to execute each cell, choose a site, Poland or Corsica, and a date range. Exact coordinates within the bounds of the image, and then it generates a data frame which is a time series of forecast and ground truth for the location you asked. So as you can see, it generates an interactive figure. If you want to download the data to do the computation of indicators offline, it's possible with this small snippet that generates a download link for this data frame, and you just have to press enter to delete the file, because it creates a file on the server. So in order to not clutter the server with additional files, once you download it, you just press enter and it deletes it from the server. Of course, you can create your own scripts here, but just be aware that the server is not especially powerful, so you might want to first download the data offline, and it will be probably easier to do the calculations on your machine.